Alright guys, we have a Kia Rio 2013 EX. The customer complaining the AC doesn't come on, and sometimes it's cold and sometimes it's just like a heater. So we checked the Freon and everything, and the compressor was working. So we find out the AC blender actuator is not working. So this is the AC blender actuator. I already took it off. It's located right on the top of the gas pedal right there, and this is the connector right here. All you need to do, take this cover off and take the bracket. You all need to use the Phillips screwdriver and the number 10 socket, and then there is two screws holding this air duct. That's for the food position. So you need to, it's just going like that. You need to wiggle it. There is a bracket, the metal bracket right here. Be careful, you cannot take that off. So just twist it like that, and then it's gonna come off. And it has got like 3 screws, 1, 2 and 3, and the connector. So what we find out, this thing is not good anymore. So it's malfunctioning, and I mean it cannot, see, it's not supposed to be that. So the gear is messed up inside there. So we order one and we're gonna put it back together. Other than that, everything else is fine. The only other thing right here, as you see my finger is, just make sure right there, see, make sure, sorry for the less light, make sure you put some kind of lubricant in there around this shaft. That kind of lubricant, WD-40, anything works, to just clean out the dust and everything. And then when you put it back together, make sure the position is working to the warm and cold, and hot and cold, I mean, and put everything back together. That's the issue with the AC blender actuator on 2013 Kia Rio EX. Thank you guys for watching.